cent coins only. Wayne had some $1 coins only. Okay, Dave gave 50% of his coins to Wayne. Wayne gave 50% of his coins to Dave. So Wayne used some of the 50-cent coins to buy a book that cost $5. Dave used some of his $1 coins to buy a bag that cost $16. The ratio that of 50 cent to $1 coins Dave had remaining was 1:2. The number of 50-cent coins to the number of $1 coins Wayne had was 1:5. How much did Dave have at first? Okay, so this is before anything happened. They are stating that they only have one type of coin. So there a change happened over here. Dave gave half of his coins to Wayne. Wayne gave half of his coin to Dave. So this happened at the same time. Then Wayne used his coins to buy a book that cost $5. So long story short, 10 50-cent coins were used. Correct? The second one, $16 $1 coins means that 16 coins were used. These two also describes the change that each of them experienced. So after that, number of 50-cent to $1 coins Dave had was 1:2. Number of 50-cent coins to $1 coins Wayne had was 1:5. Okay, how much did Dave have at first? So here you're talking about Dave number of coins. Okay, you have before a change and after in between here. By right there should be an after in between here. If you put that after in between here, your life will be a lot easier. Then there will be another change and another after. Then you have Wayne's number of coins. So it's also BCACA. Okay, this one is your 50-cent coins, $1 coins. So 50-cent coins and your $1 coins. Okay. Alright, the general rule is this. Because we know the end result, what the Dave and Wayne had, the kind of ratio that they had, we want to start here first and then we work backwards. Generally speaking, this will be easier. So let's look at Dave. Dave had 1 unit and 2 units. Then Wayne had 1 part and 5 parts of coins. Okay. So these two lines have been cleared. Okay, the blue ticks have cleared it already. So now Dave used 16 $1 coins to buy a bag. Dave, and Wayne used 10 50-cent coins to buy a book. So this is minus 10. So now once we know this, we trace this backwards. This is 1U. This is 2U plus 16. This one here must be 1 part plus 10. This one here must be 5 parts. Agree? So these two lines also have been cleared already. So now we are only left with those B and the 2 lines up there, before and the change. So now if Dave gave half of his coins to Wayne, Imagine this, Dave gave half of his 50-cent coins to Wayne. At first, over here, what would this have been? Nope, it has to be 2 times of whatever this is. Correct? If this is half, then 2 out of 2 here must be 2 units. Agree? So this has to be minus 1U. So Wayne received the 1 unit from Dave. Okay. The next one is Wayne gave half of his coins to Dave. So by that same reasoning, if this is half and over here was 2 out of 2, okay, here is 2 out of 2, right? Then this must be 10 parts. So he gave 5 parts to Dave. Okay. So why is the before statement important? Change rule has been settled. Why is the before statement important? You only have 50-cent coins and you only have $1 coins. Because you can say this: you don't have anything, you don't have anything. And we can also say that 5 parts is equal to 2 units plus 16. And from the 50-cent coins that Wayne has, 1 unit is equal to 1 part plus 10. Okay? See, imagine this, if you have nothing, you get 5 parts. And now all of a sudden you have 2 units plus 16. It is clear that your 5 parts must be 2 units plus 16. Okay? And secondly, for Wayne, same thing happens. 1 unit, when you receive 1 unit, you suddenly have 1 part plus 10. Correct? So, you want to find Dave at first. Dave at first would be, you want to get how many coins he has first. So you want to find units, we make parts the same. So we multiply this by 5. Then we have 5U equals to 5 parts plus 50. Then we draw out these 2 models. Okay. So let's start with this. 5 parts is equal to 2 units plus 16. Right? Then at the same time, if this 5 parts you add, you have this 5 parts here already. So if you add another 50 here, the whole thing becomes 5 units. Then if I compare units with units, I need to chop off this region. (5U minus 2U) gives you 3 units. Then this region is also 50 plus 16. So that is 66. 3 units is 66. 1 unit is 22. So this Dave has got 22. Wait, he has got 2 units. If I were to move this up, he has got 2 units at first. Alright? So, So 2 units of coins is 44 50-cent coins. They asked for how much he had, so that has to be 44 times 50 cents to give me $22 in total.